Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to allow status sharing on WhatsApp, step by step. If you've been wondering how to make sure your statuses can be shared with others, or you just want to update your privacy settings, this is the guide for you. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Make sure you're using the most recent version of the app so that all the latest features are available. Once the app is open, look down to the bottom or up at the top of your screen, depending on your device, and select the Settings option. This is where you can control everything related to your account, from notifications to privacy. Next, inside Settings, tap on Privacy. This is the section that helps you manage who can see your activity, your profile updates, and of course, your status. Scroll until you see the option called Status. Go ahead and tap it. Now, you'll see the setting we're here to talk about. Allow sharing. It will appear as a simple toggle switch. If this option is off, your contacts won't be able to share your status updates with others. But if you'd like them to have that ability, just tap the toggle to turn it on. Once it's switched on, your statuses can be shared with your contacts in the way WhatsApp allows. It's as simple as that. 3 quick steps. Open WhatsApp and head into Settings, select Privacy and then Status, and finally, toggle on Allow Sharing. You're all set. Remember, you can turn this option on or off anytime you want. It gives you complete control over your privacy while still making it easy for your friends and family to share what you post. So, whether you like keeping things personal or don't mind your updates getting passed along, you have the flexibility to choose. That's everything you need to know about enabling status sharing on WhatsApp. Try it out today and adjust the setting anytime. It only takes a few seconds.